Hey, so if you're confused about which ClickUp pricing plan to choose, don't worry. I'll quickly show you how to pick the right ClickUp plan in 2026 without overthinking it. First, open your browser, go to ClickUp, and log in using your email address and password. Once you're inside your workspace, you can check your current plan from the billing settings. If you're a solo user, freelancer, or just testing ClickUp, the free plan is usually enough. It covers basic task management and helps you learn the platform. If you're working with a small team, a lower paid plan makes more sense. You get more storage, better integrations, and smoother collaboration. For growing teams or businesses, higher plans are worth it. They include dashboards, automations, time tracking, and stronger permissions. Pricing is per user, so only add people who actually need access. You can upgrade or downgrade anytime. That's it. Choose a ClickUp plan based on your workflow and team size. Thanks for watching. See you next one.